Hello dear students, welcome to your computer class. We are on chapter number 9, Browsing Internet. Students, today I will explain you how to use a web browser. First is back button. See dear children, here is the back button. By clicking on this button, it will take you back to the previous page that you have already visited. See. Next is forward button. Clicking on the forward button, it will take you to the page that you were on before you pressed the back button. See? Next is reload this page button. Students, when you click on this button, it will reload the current page. Next is bookmarks. This option allows the user to store and organize the chosen websites so that he/she can revisit them anytime whenever needed. See dear, here is the bookmarks option. If you want to bookmark this website, simply you have to click on this bookmark this page option. Okay. Next is new tab. Clicking on this button allows you to open a web page in a new tab. See dear children, here is the new tab button. If you want to open a new tab, you have to click on it. Okay. You can also open a link in a new tab. Right click on the link like this and select the open link in new tab option. Like this we can open a link in a new tab. Next is customize and control Google Chrome. Here is the customize and control Google Chrome button. By clicking on this button, it will display a drop down menu with several options to customize and control the Google Chrome settings. Some of these options are: first is print. Students, we use this option to print a copy of the web page you are viewing. Okay. Next is history. This option displays a list of websites that you visited recently. Next one is zoom. The zoom option allows you to increase and decrease the size of the content of a web page. See dear children, here it is. Click on plus symbol to zoom in the page and minus symbol to zoom out the page. And click on this screen symbol to select the full screen mode. Next is more tools. By clicking on this option, it will provide you different options like save page as, clear browsing data, task manager, etc. Okay. That's all for today dear students. Thank you and have a wonderful day.